Welcome to FM Driving School. Some call me the professor of driving, but we're not here to rob a bank. But what I can give you is something more valuable than money, and that is time. We've compressed everything you need to know about driving into 1-minute video clips. We'll give you tips on driving, how to pass your driving test, what the examiner looks out for, how you should be driving. Don't forget to show some love, like it, share it, and subscribe. Let's get straight into it. Check our mirrors, interior left, turning left at the roundabout, start braking, clutch goes down. I'm just going to gear 1 for now. Scan on the right, can't see, it's clear now, I'm gonna go. As I did my routine, maybe because of this car or the tree, I didn't see this road here. Had there been a car trying to pull out, the natural assumption of the car would be you're trying to turn in. So when they see your indicator, they may try to pull out, therefore causing a chaos. Because in reality, you're trying to turn left at the road in front, at the roundabout in front. So be prepared to quickly cancel the indicator so as not to confuse the car. But straight away, put the indicator back on so on the roundabout people aren't confused. I know a lot is happening. You're trying to focus on the roundabout, do the routine, impress the examiner. But even us as experienced drivers, and I've seen it happen in test situation where there's a road that comes out from nowhere and you have to be ready to change your mind, cancel the indicator and then put it back on straight away so as not to confuse the driver and cause yourself a major fault leading to failing the test. So there you have it. As a professor of driving, we always have a plan ready in case something goes wrong. Let's call it Plan Chelsea. I would have called it Plan Spurs, but they've improved their stadium, so we're going to keep it at Plan Chelsea, where our view is restricted, we couldn't see, and now we have to possibly react to a situation where there may be a car trying to pull out. So bear that in mind. Do watch all our other videos where we help you out with your driving lessons, mock tests, how to drive, how to pass a driving test, how to avoid failing your driving test. Don't forget to like and share it, and please do subscribe. Thank you again. Good luck with your driving.